Hello friends, myself Drishya, working as an assistant professor in SNS College of Technology. Today we are discussing about the physical storage and MongoDB Unit 5. The topic is file system organization. So the objective is optimal selection of records, that is, records should be accessed as fast as possible. Any insert, update, or delete transaction on record should be easy, quick, and should not harm other records. No duplicate record should be induced as a result of insert, update, or delete. Record should be stored efficiently so that cost of storage is minimal. The file system organization is the diagrammatically represented here. The file organization are three types: sequential, indexed, and director. The indexed is two types like sequential, block index, and non-sequential full index. Again, it is divided into ISAM and VSAM. Then direct is two types: relative addressed and hash addressed. Sequential file organization. The sequential file organization is that typically used in procedural programming such as the COBOL language. Direct file organization is this organization permits direct access to individual records without scanning any other records. There are two types of direct file organization: hashed address and relative addressed. Then hashed addressed is individual records are accessed by converting the logical key value into a relative record number. Relative address is opposite. Indexed file organization is this organization is a hybrid approach allowing both sequential processing through the though not as efficiently as a sequential file organization and individual record processing. Then, non-sequential full index and sequential block index. Non-sequential full index is this index approach has an index entry for every record in the file. The sequential block index is this index approach allow as a index entry to represent a block of record by sorting the index values, and because multiple logical records may fit into a single physical records. So the next is an indexed sequential access method, ISAM. Indexed approach is one where the index structure is linked directly to the actual architecture of the disk drive in terms of number of volumes, cylinders, tracks per cylinder, and sectors per track. A virtual sequential access method is indexed approach is one where the index structure is independent of the disk drive architecture and is therefore more flexible. Through it tends to be slower in processing. The advantages and disadvantages: simplicity, less overhead are the advantages. The disadvantages are difficulties in searching, lack of support for queries, and problem with the record deletion. Pointer organization. A pointer in a record is a special field whose value is the address reference of another record in the same file. It is point out. The book number 001 is point to book number 003, and it is point to book number 010. So this is a sequential pointer. And indexed organization is an index is a table of record arranged in a particular fashion for quick access to data. Author Austin and money. It is Austin is connected to first indexed table and money is connected to book number 002. The direct organization. This organization permits direct access to individual records without scanning any other records. All records in direct file are of the same size. Every record has an associated record number. The record number serves the same purpose as primary key in an index file. Find out the answer of this question. List out the types of file organization. Are three types: sequence, direct, and index. all of you, and hope all of you understand about the file organization method.